Welcome everybody to a new tax refund update. It's been a minute, you guys, but I'm gonna share some information to get y'all caught up. You guys, I know we got 2 more months for a new tax season, but I want to share some helpful information with you guys regarding delays. I know a lot of people are still waiting on their refund. You guys, unbelievable. You guys, that a lot of people are still waiting on their refund and haven't received it yet. But you remember, you guys, I told you guys that some people did not receive theirs either. Last year around this time, people were still waiting, and some during the next tax season end up receiving too. But I'm hoping that some of you who haven't received it will receive it soon. Now, don't forget, new tax season begins on January the 2nd. 2025 with the preseason, you guys. Before I get into the information that I'm going to share with you guys today, I wanted y'all to be aware of that new tax season starts January the 2nd, 2025, for those of you who want to file with me. And don't also, for those who file on your own, you guys, some of you do your taxing on your own, don't forget that my new ebook is available to help you for the new tax season of 2025 for those of you who are interested. Now, let me go ahead and screen share and get into the information, you guys, from the IRS that I do want to share with you guys. So give me a minute to screen share, okay, and place it on the screen to share the information that I want to share with y'all, okay? It's hard to believe, you guys. Again, two more months, and then we'll be doing a preseason. The preseason loans, again, will be available as well for those of you who don't know. Now, a lot of you know about where is my refund. I'm sharing it on the screen, and you also know about the 24 hours after you e-file and 3 or 4 days after you e-file a prior year return, 4 weeks after you file a paper return. You know all of that. But I want to go over with you guys some more information that they recently updated on this website. We also know when you submit your tax return, refund receive, and then you go to refund approve when it's approved by the IRS, and then it's sent to your bank. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me this, you guys. I've been telling you guys about, for those of you who need help, to go to your congressman and to the taxpayer advocate, and some people have gotten back to me and said they got help. But some people have told me that they ended up amending their tax return, and then they ended up they had been waiting a long time, and they amended and they got their refund. Well, I'm sharing with you guys to tell you guys that the IRS updated their site to let you guys know before you file. Some people try to file a second tax return regarding it or try to amend their return. They said filing the same return again typically won't speed up your refund and could cause delays. So some people do that and end up delaying their refund. It said you should resubmit your tax return electronically if possible, only if all of these apply. You will do a refund. You filed on paper more than 6 months ago, which some people did and come in and let me know. Or else, where's my refund doesn't show that we received your return. So in any of these cases, and also the IRS sent you a letter telling you that you need to amend that tax return, you do need to do that. So I wanted you guys to be aware of that information before I go on, for those who don't know. Also, if you're just not watching me, if you have any questions and you still have not received your refund, you definitely can drop your comments in the chat box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Also, okay, I'm going to stop screen sharing right here. So let me stop screen sharing this, and I want to put some more information for those of you who are still waiting. Okay, give me a minute for me to screen share some more information. Welcome you all who are just now joining us to the live video. Okay, what are the IRS working on right now? Okay, they're currently working on Form 1040 series for those of you who are original, who filed in October. Now, are you watching and you are delayed? Some people, like I said, October was the last month to the 15th, right? The last day. If you didn't have a disaster in your area, you have a disaster in your area, you have until May of 2025. But if you didn't, you're supposed to have got your tax return in, and if you were supposed to file by October 15th. So what they're working on right now, the IRS, let me make sure it's on the screen. They're working on the October refunds, you guys, and also the amended refunds for those of you who filed in July. Now, also for those of you, the IRS, they tell people are asking me, are they still doing the refund? Yeah, they still doing it, you guys. So you still got to check, where is my refund? Or check your bank account to see is the money still coming into your bank account, even though you might not know it yet. They're still working on them, and we'll be all the way in sometime. Maybe sometime they stop doing it in November, because they have to update the system, you guys. They have to update the system for the new tax season. So that's why I tell people, if you haven't received your refund by a certain day in November, you guys, then most likely what they will do is most time you file a new tax return in 2025, then they definitely will give you 2 when you get ready to file. Also, you guys, for those of you who continue to watch my channel, I will be giving a new tax law update for those who are my members, my YouTube membership and website membership members. They will get full access for that with the new tax laws. For those of you who are not in it, I will go over briefly some of the new information, but the tax laws that I get from my bank partner, I would definitely go to. That goes to my YouTube membership members and also to the website membership members. For those of you who haven't joined, it's maybe a time for you to join, because tax season, that's when I'm gonna have the most people on my channel with a lot of questions, you guys. Right now, not that many, because we headed on to Christmas. And don't forget, you guys, some people are already filing, gonna be filing in November, taking advantage of the holiday loan. Now, the holiday loan with me go is if you were one of my tax clients, okay? That's how it goes. So the people who file with other people like Jackson Hewitt, make sure you look into that they start giving the holiday loans for those who are available and approved in November, okay, and some in December. All right, so they're processing 1040 series October 2024. This is the individual and amended July 2024. Business return, they're also processing October 2024. The amended also June 2024 for business return. Form 941, they have started moving forward with 941. You know, there's a pause on those who was filing the employee retention credit, but something happened with that, and some people they're moving forward with those and processing those who are approved to get accepted with the employee retention credit, you guys, for their businesses. So Form 941, if you file that, they're doing the IRS is working on September 2024. The amended February 2024 Form 1041, original October 2024, and amended 2024. Okay. For those of you, let me get back to what I was trying to get to. Just a minute. Okay. For those of you who are just now joining me and you don't know this information, hold on just a minute. Trying to make sure I pull up all the information to help those who are new to me, maybe joining me for the first time. This information for those who have questions regarding why is my refund, I haven't received it yet. And I told you guys, some people by now you should know, it's about the end of the year, you guys, you should know that it's something wrong with your tax return if you filed it way in January, February, March, April, May, or even maybe in June, that if you haven't received your refund yet, that is something is going on with your refund. It's missing information. It has errors, you guys, and it's also can be suspicious activity reported by bank. Maybe you put in the wrong account and routing number. Maybe the bank rejected it because of suspicious activity, and they always send it back to the IRS. And then once they do that, they issue out a paper check. Also, around this time, you guys, for taxpayers, some of you who've been waiting on your refund, some people are getting paper checks, still getting a paper check, especially around this time when the IRS is getting ready to update and us tax professionals are getting ready to prepare for a new tax season. So some of you will get the paper checks mailed to you. If you have a tax preparer, make sure you go back and contact your tax preparer, whoever you got to do your refund with, or if you went through a free software, make sure you contact the company regarding that. You guys, if you can't get help that way, reach out to the IRS agent so that they will help you regarding your tax refund. If you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them down. If you're new to me, let me know, you guys, because you'll be surprised. But yeah, the new tax season, we probably gonna have a lot of people on here. Right now, when I have like 3 people live, but doing tax season is way up there with so many questions. Again, for those of you joining me, don't forget my new ebook. This is available for taxpayers, you guys. For those of you who file your own taxes, need help regarding how to get a bigger refund legally, you guys, legally, and then I provide information to help you. Now, this doesn't guarantee, it's based on your tax information whether or not you will get a bigger refund or not. So I wanted y'all to be aware of that, okay? All right, if there are not any questions or anything regarding this, what I would do is go over one more thing. For those of you who have been waiting, again, this is what I've been hearing a lot of about delays, wage documents. Make sure if you have delays regarding your wage documents that you refer all the information to your employer, because they could have put in the wrong social security number. So you want to go back to that, verify, so that you'll get the IRS will be able to mail the information or mail your check out to you, or what, direct deposit, whatever you file, you guys. So contact your employer if you have a problem with your wage documents or information on your transcripts as well. Also, don't be afraid to reach out to your tax preparer, the IRS agent, taxpayer advocate. I've been telling people during tax season 2024 this, and also your state congressman. I have a lot of people have contacted me back saying that they got help regarding the taxpayer advocate and also their state congressman. So congratulations to all of you who got assistance and help regarding that. And also, don't forget the tax offices as well, your local tax offices that are available, that you can schedule appointments to find out what's going on with your tax refund as well, you guys. Hopefully all the information I provided help you. If you have any questions, you guys, make sure you feel free to drop a comment and let me know, and y'all have a great evening.